Hi guys, welcome back to Wagwan Tours. We're in Tsilivi. We're going to take a little walk down to the Tsilivi Beach. Let's see Wagwan. Oh, hold on. It's messing up there. Let's just spin you round. There you go. Right. Curb is a bit dropped there. These curbs are not small. They're at least about a foot high. So yeah. Careful with your step. Don't take a full bang your head. This lovely lady banged her head last night. She's bleeding on the head as well. So yeah, you rental somewhere around here. This is one boa. So you got boa there. So we're going down to the Tsilivi Beach. Have a little look, there's a big tui blue down there. Fantastic stuff in the tuis. Really accommodating. They actually gave us a free beer last year when they gave us a free beer because not just because we asked for a beer. And then, obviously it's all inclusive, so they can't take cash. What's this one? Same madness. I can't make your signs more clearer, guys. Let me just switch this around one sec. There we go. So, big hotel. Aqua Deluxe. Little spa on this side. Oh, looks very nice at the back. Really nice. Oh, look at me. Where am I going? Let's get myself trapped. Get trapped. So, drop in the comments if you're coming to Zante this year. Where are you staying? You stay in one of these apartments? This one here does traditional plate smashing, everything like that. What's it called? Staminis. But yeah. Gotta be there. I don't have the money. Sorry. So, old Mac Masters out in India, he put up loads of pictures saying that, oh, not beggars, there's beggars everywhere. Come to Europe, it's just as bad. It's just that they've got a little bit more money so they can get a bit more better clothes. They look so dirty because they've probably got somewhere to wash and they can probably get somewhere to sleep in Europe. You know what I mean? This one looks brand new as well. Check it out. But yeah, there's beggars everywhere in the world. India is not on its own with its beggars. Look how many people take from the food banks in England. Absolute trash. Look at that. Nicely, isn't it? Really nice. Yeah. So that's a Tsilivi Carver. Probably saying it completely wrong. Check that also. Really nice gardens. Look at the ferries. I'll zoom in for the ferries for you. There's a hidden ferry back there as well. But yeah. It's just a shame we can't look after these people. You know, give them a bit of something in life. We all got a chance because that's where we live. We live in England, we live in Europe, we have a big chance. Some places in Europe though, they're a bit suffering compared to, say, England, but anyway. Let's get back to the vlog. So what's that? Calvin pub. We've got the poet Elvis. Why is Elvis so popular, guys? I just don't understand it. I've never been a big Elvis fan. Not really my thing. Don't support underage you know what. So Don't understand why everyone loves them so much. So like Michael, not my thing. Both the same to me, them two. These little bloody birds are mental. That fly straight in your face. So you got the restaurant up here. Let's go across this side of it. What's that here, sorry. Special today, lamb. Cool. What does that mean? So there was a barrier up here before. That's gone. So this is Tsilivi Beach. So you can go out there. Last time I started my vlog out there, on that little bit there. That's the Tsilivi blue on the left. We're going to walk around this way. Looks like the water's quite high at the moment. Look at blue circles and green that water is. Stunning water. Hello. So yeah. Oh, look at this one. Got the water feature. I'll do the swimming out, will you? But yeah, check the water out. It's lovely. Absolutely stunning. Let's take a look on a paddle over there. It's a bit choppy for a peddler, isn't it? Let's keep going. Oh, check this foot. How cool that is. Very cool. So, we're swimming now. We're not going to go down to the beach here. We're going to go to the beach over around the corner. But you can see. Really, really nice beach. I mean, you need to come and get a Sabi, that's normal. But they get there in the end. There you go, everyone up in the hotel there. Don't know the hotel names. Big shout out to Dan's World, see you with Mark James. Meeting up with them when I get down to Laganas tomorrow. And then you got, we're going to be in, how can I forget the name? Kalamaki. We're going to be in Kalamaki from, I think it's around about the 21st, 22nd. That means nothing to you guys because you're seeing this probably later on in the month. But we will be there. Absolutely stunning waters out in Zante, trust me. It's probably the best place for water, I'd say. Normal travels, number one. Let me talk over this. Got some lovely seating here. And we've got new floor seats here, bean bags. They're really cool. If you didn't know that we're here for Soccer Maza, Zante 2026, it was there last year, it was filmed. Everything, all the shenanigans. We didn't actually make it to every event because this is our main job. But yeah, we will be at every event this year. Except for the boat, maybe. We'll see. We will see. I was hoping to do the boat last year, but we couldn't do it. I think we was in Tsilivi actually, where I am now. So maybe next year. I'm talking about maybe next year, maybe this year, hopefully. Yeah, check the view, guys. Come here. Absolute stunning little beach. Mainly in the summer, all the little bits like, you know, all the mess down here, the seaweed, that normally gets taken away. Again, this is, you know, after the storms, the winter storms, everyone got hit bad this year. In England, we was all right. Talk about a mild winter. It was cold, but yeah, not like how these lot got the storms. They would get battered every day. You'll be seeing Laganass, seeing what the damage is down Laganass. You're not seeing Downswell filmed it all when it happened. Wow, look at here actually. I think the water's higher this year. I think that's the truth, isn't it? Last year you could walk out there and go stand out on that little bit of rocks, but it's completely covered now. And yeah, that's why we just walked all the way around. What I'll do is I'll take you around to the Marina around here. No one's been around here to clean up. But we'll go around to the Marina and we'll live vlog there. And then I'm going to Tom and John's for a pint. Probably jump in his pool. Guys, again, if you're new to the channel, I'm Kirk. Sabrina's my partner. I'm a good looking one, obviously. This is Wagwan Tours. We go travelling all around Europe, some little international bits. We want to get further away. So if you ever become a patron, we have a Patreon link. It's always in the bottom of the description. It doesn't cost a lot to join up. And that will help support us to keep this travelling business going. We will be getting new merch that will be dropping in the next few weeks. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me show you this little area here. So yeah, check it out. This is all the boats you can hire. Some of them have like glass bottom, not these ones, but some of them do have glass bottom. If you come in March, April, early May, I'd say, you could probably get a glass bottom one for the price of a normal one. Pretty much you don't use the glass bottom though, that's the thing. Like, it's just a novelty, I guess. I didn't use it when I got it. But yeah, check the sea out, guys. Let me jump up here. Look at the sea. Absolutely stunning. And look in the background there, you've got Kefalonia. So yeah, they had a big flag here. That's there's a big flag on this pole. Maybe it's higher up. I don't know, it's not there at the moment. Whoa. So you've got the fishermen's boats. I don't see any glass bottom speedboats. These are a bit bigger, these ones. But still, I think we're going to hire one of these with the soccer mother boys and girls. Take them out, show them some of the stuff that they normally wouldn't see if you don't take a boat. But yeah, guys, let's end this one here. So thank you all for watching. It's Wagwan Tours. We're in Zante, Tsilivi, and if you're old school, we call this Tsilivi. That wound a lot of people up last year. Got us a lot of comments. So thanks to you guys. You helped push the video. And anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.